Welcome to first grade. My name is Mrs. Dubois. You might know me as Miss Cotter, but I actually have a new name, so you can call me Mrs. Dubois now. Right here we have our bulletin board with these cute little frogs on it, so on the first day you'll know you're at the right room if you see these cute frogs. Oh, look who's coming.
Hi, Mrs. Dubois. Oh, there's our bell.
Holland.
So good to see you. Hi, everybody. I am so excited for you. I'm going to stand back a little bit because I like to give you a little bit of space. I love your mask. It's very fancy. Well, I'm really excited to be here. I hope to see you all in the classroom.
Thanks, Mrs. Holland. Bye. Let's go check out our classroom. So over here we have our calendar and our daily schedule that we'll talk about every day at morning meeting. If you notice in this room, we don't have tables in first grade, we have desks, so you'll get your very own desk this year, which is super exciting. Over here we have our classroom library with tons of fun books. If you like Elephant and Piggy, I've got a ton. And then over here we have book bins, you might remember from kindergarten, where you can keep all of your books. Over here we have our Chromebooks that we'll get to use this year. And last but not least, Mrs. Downey bought you all your own 2 boxes to keep all your supplies in. Isn't she the best? I can't wait to start this fun year with you. See you soon. Bye.